Got much more to come, but I'm still working on it. Experimenting with exhaust right now. Got one gutted cat in the center without any O2 sensors, and then I got a muffler delete as well. A little bit louder than I wanted it to be, but it's fun to mess around with in town. I got another one of these cars down south, so I'm probably going to end up switching the cats out. So I'm going to have the gutted cat on the other one with the muffler, and I'm going to have the not gutted cat on this car eventually. See if I can dampen it down a little bit, make it a little bit softer. All right, thanks again.